That piston, some of them do, some of them don't, but this piston has a pin sticking out in the ring gap, and that's where you have to line your ring gaps up. And that's why I didn't realize it had a ring gap, but that it's going to keep the rings from rotating around the piston. So these little clips are basically going to hold in this pin. And you can lose them really easily. I don't like dealing with them, but they're a necessity. I should have put this one in to begin with. Let's see, which side do I want to mess with? I'll mess with this side, so I'm going to put the ring in this side.